In this tutorial, we're gonna take a look at Precoro. So Precoro is software that will basically help us with payments within our business. So here we can see that they have different solutions and different platforms. So here, let me go to features. Now, basically, here we're gonna be able to manage all the payments. We can see the details about the payments, and this will help us save more time and money. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that the cheapest one is $500 per month. Then we have automation that will allow you to basically use AI to automate everything. So overall, I think it's a great software for your business. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.